Electrical items, as Sue Josephson will tell you, are the number one item that Chinese sellers sell on eBay, and I suspect it will also be the number one item that Chinese sellers sell on Amazon as well, because they can get them so cheaply. So you will be oftentimes competing with Chinese sellers in those categories. So for me, I tend to shy away from that. Also, anytime you've got electricals, you've got batteries, and batteries raise all sorts of red flags on Amazon as well. So again, unless it's something quite unique, I tend to shy away from that. Having said that, if you are insistent on selling electricals, then it's exactly the same process as any product at all. Doesn't matter if it's electrical or not, you must find a supplier who's going to give you a great quality product. First and foremost, over everything else, that's your most important consideration. Great quality at a fair price, because, as you rightly say, if you're getting returns, if you're getting things which are faulty, it's a killer for your business. Your Amazon business just will not survive getting negative feedback, and that's what will happen. You'll get negative feedback, negative reviews, and it is very difficult to come back from that once you start getting negative reviews. You're much better off in most instances delisting your product and starting again. So buy from a good supplier and go for quality over cost with things like that, but make sure you're paying a fair price for your product. Everybody's got to make a profit, of course, so pay a fair price for your product. That's how I would do it, Hitton, if I was going to go into that. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.